So, I've been doing this since 2014. Nakaka-excite kasi nakakamit ka ng mga iba't ibang klaseng tao. Hindi lang sila magagaling, mabubuti yung puso nila. Very talented pa yung iba. The way how we hire or add people in our team is something we value. Importante na nakikilala mo yung mga tao. You should give a good mark in their lives because not just they wanted to be part of your team, makapagtrabaho sila. And of course, give them hope, di ba? Nabigyan mo ng magandang pag-asa na hindi man sila matanggap agad, makikita nila yung value nila. So, kami dito, gusto namin maging magaan siguro. Mas gusto namin makilala yung mga tao from their heart, you know, targeting their heart and emotions, kung ano yung mga kakaiba nilang experience at kung paano nila harapin yung araw-araw. So, being open also. Mas nagiging open din sila sa'yo. Mas na-share nila ng buo kung sino sila. These people deserves a good work, a good playground, parang playground where they can, you know, express themselves and be free. They can be part of your team to grow the business, but they are actually realizing kung ano din yung potential nila bilang tao. So, providing job, not just job, providing unforgettable experiences para maging mas mabuti pa sila. Becoming father to their children, becoming child to their parents. Ang ganda, nakaka-excite makita yung development stage ng maraming tao. Well, it's nice to see this 34, almost 35 aspiring applicants to be part of this family. Masayang-masaya ako that we are able to meet these people na sobrang passionate. They wanted to become part of our ever-growing family dito sa Vibe and Dampa. Nakakatuwa kasi makikita mo yung intention nila, makikita mo yung pagustuhan nila na makapagtrabaho at matanggap sa isang trabaho na alam naman natin na hindi lang makakatulong sa kanila, but of course makakatulong sa atin to fulfill kung ano ba talaga yung gusto nating makontribute sa community and sa business itself. Transparency, yung pagiging masaya, it's very important sa isang work environment. You should face your daily lives with smile on your face. Hindi kailangan maging negatibo, kaya stressful, kumbaga. Ibahin natin yung environment natin. Importante na mabigay mo yung magandang pakikisama niyo sa mga tao. Because magaan, hindi lang magaan, masaya yung araw-araw nila. At for sure, mararamdaman nyo ng lahat ng papasok dito. At lahat ng makaka-experience nung service kung anong meron. Sa Vibe, sa Dampa, at sa mga other pang businesses na bubuksan natin.